day of the Birmingham Bike Show 2015 at NEC. I'm going out with my partner who's still in bed, and I'm trying to get her up, but as you can see, having a few problems here. And
I'm not going to get up. Why you got that camera pointed at me?
Well, I think...
Get the camera away and I'll get up.
Camera's away. I don't think heading. Not really away. Okay, today at the show we're going to be looking at a few bikes, particularly the Triumph Bonneville, new ones, 1200, 900, BMW Scrambler, and the Moto Guzzi V Roamer. Alright. Right, okay, so we're off. Bit of a dreary morning, cold morning, so great morning for a show. Okay, we're on our way up to the show. Looking forward to a good day. Lots of new bikes to see, and should get there before 10. Bit of nifty driving by my partners, avoid some of the queues, but doesn't seem to be too bad at the moment. So this is the Thruxton. All new Thruxton for 2016. This has really changed. Black. This is a much nicer bike than the 2015 models. A lot of changes. Very nice. So this is, has this got a ride-by-wire? This?
It has, yes.
All right, and what's the clutch is different, isn't it?
Adjustable clutch, adjustable brakes. It's not. It's the same.
Okay.
Same kind of system. So.
But the engine is completely new.
Everything's
so it was at 865, wasn't it? And now it's 900cc.
Yeah. So this isn't an actual Bonneville. This is classed as a street twin. So it's a completely separate from the Bonnevilles. So the Bonnevilles.
From the T120s.
T120s.
Yeah.
So I think so. That's 1200 engine. So with a 900 engine then. So as I say, you've got bags of torque in there. And for what I did on it, so I did like urban, A roads, a little bit of the motorway, and could happily just keep it in fourth and just do everything. Come down to 20, 30 miles an hour, open it up, and just keep going.
So have you compared it between the outgoing model and this model?
That's quite odd. So the outgoing model, that's not really had any major updates for
years.
Yeah.
And you notice a lot of difference between the two?
Yeah, so much more responsive now.
Yeah.
So you've got ride by wire, so things like that kind of help the responsiveness, and it also helps with the obviously the economy as well. So MPG kind of goes up way more than the outgoing 865.
What do you reckon the MPG on this now?
I was getting about, I can't remember what it's on the computer, but I reckon if you got in, about 20 quid got me 300 miles. Because I topped up 3 times, but I gave it back with the full tank.
Yeah.
And so 20 quid, 300 miles. So.
Yeah.
Without any modifications.
Yeah.
Distinctive character. Yeah, you like the electric. No, just
Oh, I like the headlight. That's a nice touch, isn't it? What are you thinking about it, Les?
It's going to be, it feels alright.
I would definitely go for the blacked out.
Yeah, I'm closer to the floor on this than I am on mine.
Already, and that's
Already, that's unmodified.
okay. Yeah, much easier to clean if it's all black.
So I
More
should,
chrome, you can't take out the wheel. Street twin with the nice Scrambler pipes on. Very nice. In on the displays there. It all feels quite different. What do you reckon to this then?
I think your arse would get soaking wet.
Why is that?
Fill the back end with spray in it.
I'm just going to do a once round on it. don't know. Let's see why not. What do you reckon, Les? Yeah, please go ahead.